back to our channel. I am Gauri and you're watching Tricon DIY. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what all plants I have in my garden, some information about those plants and some tips and tricks about gardening. So if you are a beginner and don't know how to start or what all things you should have before you actually start, I'm going to be telling you everything in this video. So let's begin.
Hey guys, firstly you need a good quality of soil. Coco peat, which you can get it from the plant nursery, and you have to soak it in water for a couple of minutes and squeeze the excess water. Organic manure, which is very essential for plants growth. So I have taken half quantity of soil and other half with coco peat. Coco peat increases aeration, water retention, improves soil texture, productivity and reduces root diseases. It's made from the husk of coconuts. It's a beneficial product for plants growth and provides an alternative growing medium. I'm using a cow dung manure because it's an organic fertilizer and manure containing essential nutrients for healthy growth of plants. Also, it improves its moisture holding capacity. Firstly, I'm gonna be planting pothos, which has numerous common names as money plant, golden pothos, devil's ivy, hunter's rope, etc. It energizes the home by filtering air and increasing oxygen inflow. This plant grows in soil as well as in water. In comparison to other household or indoor plants, the survival rate of a money plant is high. Experts recommend keeping one plant near each computer, television or Wi-Fi router. It reduces stress and gives positive energy. Remember, the sap of this plant is extremely poisonous if consumed by mistake. Do you know that there are hidden seeds in a money plant? The pods are the place where they are hidden. These pods ultimately enlarge and burst and then fall on the ground. This is a must-have plant at your home. This plant also increases the beauty of your space. Next one is the aloe vera plant. It is a medical plant that's been used to treat various health conditions for thousands of years. You will need a mature plant that's at least a few years old. This ensures a higher concentration of the active ingredients. Due to its smoothing, moisturizing and cooling properties, aloe vera is often used to treat burns. Consuming it can benefit your digestive tract and help to soothe and cure stomach problems. Using fresh aloe vera on your face may help clean your acne as well. Meet the baby sunrose. It is an easy care plant that thrives in hot, dry, sunny areas. The only regular trimming necessary may be to cut back shots. If it's flowing over a wall or the side of a pot, trim it back now and then to remove any stringing stems and encourage new growth. This one is the orange plant. This plant is grown from the seeds of an orange fruit. Soak the seed overnight in water and plant them half an inch deep in moist potting soil. Cover the pot with a plastic bag and let it sit in a warm and sunny spot for a few weeks until the seed starts to grow. Then remove the plastic but keep the pot near warm and sunny window. This one is the lemon tree. Growing lemon can be a very rewarding experience. The glossy leaves, white flowers and small to medium sized trees make them an ideal fit for the smallest of the garden space. They bear fruit almost throughout the whole year. The harvesting of lemons can also be a fun experience for everyone in your household. The taro plant, also known as Arbi, Colocia and famously known as Aru. This plant is used in cooking as it has high amount of fibers. Dish known as Aru Vadi is very famous in Maharashtra. This is a beautiful brinjal plant which takes 100 to 120 days to reach maturity from seeds. But choosing a faster maturing variety can bring fresh and ripe eggplants more quickly from your garden to your table. Beetle leaf, famously known as Magai plant, which is indoor-outdoor shade-loving plant and can be watered once a day. It has many curative and healing health benefits. Tulsi is called the queen of all herbs which helps in healing of the human body in a natural manner. Not only do tulsi leaves benefit people, but it flowers too. There are various types of tulsi, which is Rama, Krishna and Vana. This is a must-have plant in your garden space. Butterfly pea, famously known as Gokarna flower plant. It is a beautiful plant which has blue as well as white flowers on it. This is a periwinkle plant which is famously known as Sadafuli or Sadabahar, is a commonly plant found in every house. Mogra, which is a famously known as jasmine flower, is one of the most beautiful and fragrant amongst all the flowering plants in Asia.
If you have gained some information and enjoyed watching this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care, bye bye.